I've covered breaking news, interviewed world leaders, and stood at the front lines of history as it unfolded. I've witnessed revolutions, moments that shifted the world's direction. But today, I'm reporting on a different kind of game changer, one that's quietly transforming the way we all work. This revolution isn't happening in a war room or a high-rise boardroom. It's unfolding right on your laptop, in the comfort of your own workspace, wherever you are. I remember the moment clearly. I was staring down a massive deadline, a high-stakes presentation due in under an hour, with everything on the line. The screen in front of me was blank. The clock on the wall was relentless, each tick a reminder that time was running out. That's when I stumbled upon Gamma AI, a tool that claimed it could create a professional presentation in just 60 seconds. I was skeptical, but desperate. I gave it a shot, and it delivered, beyond my expectations. This isn't just another tech story or a passing trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we work, create, and communicate our ideas to the world. I needed more than just slides. I needed visuals, data, and a compelling narrative, all pulled together fast, without sacrificing quality. Traditional software? It was too slow. I'd lost countless hours to formatting, searching for the right images, and wrestling with layouts that never quite looked right. Gamma AI changed everything. It took my scattered notes, my rough ideas, and transformed them into a polished, interactive masterpiece. Almost instantly. It felt like having a top designer and a world-class strategist working for me right there in my living room at the click of a button. I walked into that meeting with a deck that looked like it was crafted by a creative agency. Sleek, professional, and engaging. The reaction from the room? Pure shock and curiosity. People weren't just interested in my data. They wanted to know how I made it look so good, so quickly. I told them the truth. It wasn't just me. It was me, amplified by the power of AI, working smarter and faster than ever before. Gamma AI is changing the game for everyone, from students racing against deadlines to CEOs preparing for high-stakes pitches. It's democratizing creativity and productivity. We're entering an era where your ideas aren't limited by your design skills, your technical know-how, or even the time you have. The barriers are coming down. The technology is here and it's more accessible than ever. Anyone can use it, regardless of background or experience. It's about leveling the playing field and empowering you to bring your best ideas to life, instantly, with confidence and style. So let's dive in and see what's possible. I'll show you exactly what Gamma AI is, how it works, and how you can harness it to get your ideas into the spotlight, your own prime time. In today's world, speed and quality aren't just nice to have, they're everything. The competition is fierce and expectations are higher than ever. With Gamma AI, you don't have to choose between fast and good. You get both, seamlessly. No more agonizing over whether to rush or to deliver quality. Now you can do both and do it better than ever before. This is the new reality, a world where technology empowers us to adapt, to innovate, and to thrive in ways we never imagined. Your ideas, beautifully presented, in a fraction of the time it used to take. The process is streamlined, the results are stunning. Ready to see how it works? Let's break it down together and unlock the full potential of your creativity. The future of presentations isn't just coming, it's already here, reshaping how we share and inspire, and it all starts with 60 seconds. Let's get started and see what you can create. Meet Gamma AI, your new productivity powerhouse designed to revolutionize the way you work. Forget PowerPoint and Google Slides. These tools, while once groundbreaking, are now outdated. Those are relics of a slower era where creativity was often stifled by cumbersome interfaces. With old tools, you do all the heavy lifting, writing, designing, editing, strategizing. It's exhausting and time-consuming. Gamma AI flips the script. It's not just a blank canvas, it's a creative partner that works alongside you. Imagine describing your dream car and having it built for you in minutes. That's what Gamma does for presentations. You provide the vision. Gamma handles the engineering and design, turning your ideas into reality. It generates a complete, polished presentation, document, or web page. Text, layout, images included, all in one go. The result? Hours saved. No more wrestling with formatting or searching for stock photos. It's seamless. Gamma automates the tedious parts so you can focus on your message and what truly matters. Every deck looks clean, modern, and professional. No more amateur slides. Impress your audience every time. Start with your ideas, not design. Feed Gamma a prompt or some notes and it builds a structured, beautiful draft effortlessly. You refine, the AI assists. It's a true collaboration, enhancing your creativity. This is the future of productivity. Human creativity combined with AI speed and efficiency. Gamma AI is your secret weapon to win back your time and make a bigger impact in your work. It's about working smarter, not harder. Let technology do the heavy lifting. Let Gamma handle the grunt work, freeing you to focus on strategic thinking. You focus on what matters, your ideas, your strategy, your success. Ready to see what it can do? Let's explore the features and unlock your potential. What makes Gamma AI stand out? Let's break down its best features. First, AI-powered generation. Give it a topic and Gamma writes, structures and illustrates your presentation. No templates, just results. Interactive elements, embed charts, videos, even websites. Your deck becomes an immersive experience, not just a slideshow. One-click website, export instantly, turn your presentation into a responsive web page. Perfect for sharing anywhere. Customization, Gamma's editor is intuitive. Change themes, tweak layouts, rewrite text, all with a simple card-based interface. Collaboration, invite teammates to edit and comment in real time, just like Google Docs. You're always in control, AI drafts you perfect. Gamma combines speed, design, and teamwork in one tool. No more static, boring slides. Your presentations are dynamic, engaging, and professional. It's a new standard for modern communication. Whether you're solo or working with a team, Gamma adapts to your workflow. The result? Presentations that impress every time. Let's see how it all comes together. Here's how Gamma works. So how does Gamma AI turn your ideas into a stunning presentation? It starts with your input, a topic, outline, or even pasted notes. Gamma's AI, powered by large language models, analyzes your request and builds a logical flow. It writes headlines, bullet points, and descriptions for each slide. Simultaneously, it designs layouts, picks fonts and colors, and suggests relevant images. The result content and design merged into a cohesive draft, ready in seconds. You get a fully formed interactive deck. No blank pages, no wasted time. From there, you take the wheel edit, refine, and personalize. The AI does the heavy lifting. You add the finishing touches. It's a partnership. AI speed, human creativity, that's the magic behind Gamma. Ready to dive into the world of Gamma AI? Let's walk through the process of getting started with this innovative tool. First, head over to gamma.app and sign up. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, ensuring you're up and running in no time. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see the Create New AI button. Click it to begin your creative journey. You'll be prompted to choose what you want to create, be it a presentation, document, or web page. The choice is yours. For this guide, let's select Presentation to explore its features. Enter your prompt in the designated box. Whether you opt for a simple phrase or a detailed description, Gamma is designed to adapt to your needs. For instance, you might type, "A presentation on the benefits of remote work," or provide a comprehensive outline with specific sections. Remember, the more detail you provide, the more refined and tailored the result will be. Click on Generate and watch as Gamma brings your outline to life, crafting it with precision. Review the generated outline. If adjustments are needed, make them before giving your approval. Gamma will then create your slides, seamlessly integrating text, selecting layouts, and sourcing images to enhance your presentation. In just about a minute, you'll have a complete draft ready for review. Now, you're in the editor, where the real customization begins. Each slide is presented as a card. Click to edit text, switch themes, or adjust layouts to suit your style. Want to add a video? Simply paste the link. The platform supports drag and drop and click to edit functionalities for ease of use. Feel free to experiment with different layouts and themes. Nothing is set in stone until you're completely satisfied. In a matter of minutes, you'll have a unique, polished presentation that stands out. Gamma provides a head start, allowing you to personalize the content without needing design skills or wasting time. It's all about transforming your ideas into engaging visuals. And that's how simple it is to create with Gamma. Now let's explore more features and take your skills to the next level with Gamma AI. Want to get the most out of Gamma? Here are my top tips. Start with a strong prompt. Be specific about your topic and structure. Use the paste in text feature for messy notes or long documents. Gamma organizes it for you. Experiment with card layouts. Switch between lists, columns, and image-focused designs for maximum impact. Use the accent feature to highlight key terms or stats. Draw your audience's eye to what matters. Consistent accents make your deck look polished and professional. Don't be afraid to tweak themes and layouts. Gamma makes it easy to experiment. Let the AI handle structure, but add your personal touch for clarity and style. The more you use Gamma, the faster you'll get. Save your favorite layouts for future projects. Collaborate with teammates for even better results. Remember, great presentations start with great ideas, and Gamma helps you showcase them. Master these tricks, and you'll stand out every time. Ready to see what else Gamma can do? Let's talk about its limitations. Gamma AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. The free plan uses credits. You'll need a subscription for heavy use. The card-based system is fast, but limits pixel-perfect control. Designers may find it restrictive. AI-generated content can be generic or outdated for niche topics. Always fact-check. Gamma works best in English. Other languages may have grammar or nuance issues. Think of Gamma as a brilliant assistant, not a replacement for your expertise. You're the editor-in-chief. Review and refine every draft. For most users, these limits are minor compared to the time saved. Test it for your needs before relying on it for big projects. Know the boundaries, and you'll get the most from Gamma. Now let's see why it's a game changer. Gamma AI isn't just another app, it's a breakthrough. It removes the bottleneck of tedious presentation creation. Professionals get custom decks in minutes, not hours. Marketers, sales execs, founders, Gamma lets you focus on strategy, not formatting. For students, it means more time learning, less time fighting with slides. It levels the playing field. Anyone can present ideas with clarity and confidence. Gamma automates the grunt work, freeing your creativity. It's not about replacing you, it's about amplifying your impact. Whether you're a CEO or a student, your ideas deserve to shine. Gamma makes that possible, today. The future of presentations is here. Make it part of your toolkit. We've explored Gamma AI's power and potential, but AI is evolving fast. New tools emerge every week. I want to hear from you. What AI tools are changing your workflow? Maybe it's an AI video editor, a research assistant, or something totally new. Your feedback shapes what we cover next. Leave a comment below, tell me what's impressed you and why. This is our conversation. Let's explore the future together. Share your discoveries, your questions, your ideas. The world is changing fast and AI is at the heart of it. Don't just watch, join the discussion. I've shared my secret weapon. Now what's yours? Let's get to it.